Welcome to CTN Videos. Today we have a review of Flipboard version 2.0. Let's do a quick rundown over the features. One of the features is you can now collect and save content into your own magazines by tapping the plus button, which I will show you later. You can make these private or public. There's a bookmarklet for your browser to add stuff to your personal magazine. There are now notifications for likes and comments on the magazines you created if you allowed them to be public. You can email, share, Facebook, Twitter, or Google Plus your magazines or other articles. You can now search from the front and center of your Flipboard in the new improved results. And there's faster page loading and the personalized recommendations, so you can add more to your Flipboard that relates to you. Probably the biggest feature is to make your own magazines. So let's just get started. I'm going to go to our YouTube channel, and this plus button right here, all you have to do is hit that. You have the choice to create a new magazine right here. You can add it to any magazine you want. It'll show a lock if it's private, and all you have to do is add it. Do that and then say add. You can add a caption if you want, but I'm not gonna. It's gonna say flipped into whatever the magazine is. Now I have encountered a bug. I don't quite know if this is a bug, but a lot of times after I'm scrolling through, after I added it, I will get an error message just like that. And I try again and it goes in there. So let's try creating one. So I'm going to add this into a new magazine. Now I can name the magazine, and I can give you a magazine description. And as you saw that error again, and I can even select the category so people can find it easier if I do make it public. I'm going to make it not public because I don't want a testing magazine to be out there. And I'm going to create. And as you can see, that error is still popping up, and it's probably the worst time I've had it. And if this is a bug, shout out to the developers, please fix it. But it is the first version of the version 2.0, so I'm going to give them slack. And hopefully they have an update soon. So it could also be a server overload too. And add, just like that. This is the new search interface. Pretty similar, but once you start searching, it's a little different. Everything mountain biking, which I searched for, pops up right here. And then, if I search for something that I'm not subscribed to, once it loads, I will have the option to hit this bookmark right here and add it. Sharing's pretty simple. All you have to do is go to an article or magazine you like, tap this button right here. You can share a link, email link, read later using Pocket or other apps similar, or view on the web. Share link can open up to Twitter and other accounts such as Facebook, Google Plus, and other social network accounts. And to add more accounts, you can do here's Facebook, Google Reader, LinkedIn, Instagram, Flickr, Tumblr, 500 Pics, Weibo, Renren, SoundCloud, YouTube, and the New York Times. And you can add all of these if you have one for all of these, or as many as you decide. The iPad version will be slightly different. This is a review of the iPhone version or iPod Touch version. If you own an iPad, it's going to be a slightly different layout, but the features are all going to be the same. If you have an Android device and you want it on your Android device, it's not going to be out till a couple weeks, next month. I will be reviewing that once it is released, as soon as it is released. Thank you for watching CTN videos. Please subscribe for other videos such as this one. We post videos very often also. Please like this video too.